Don't run into me. That's a good girl. Pee outside, Joy. That's a good girl, Stella. Pee outside. Quit jumping on me, Patches. It's like, good girl, Lucy, pee outside. We're going to have to put some of you guys on a diet. Look at Stella and Casanova. Bunch of fat asses. Hey, baby girl. Everybody's getting fat. It isn't even winter yet. Everybody's getting fat. Oh, that one breeze feels good. Hot after shaving all them dogs. See a few more that could use it, but they'll live for a couple of days. Katie Poodle, Xena. There's just a fat Chihuahua. They're my baby. They're my Aussie baby. Hanging out in the shade. It's nice. Did you guys dig all these holes back here? I'm gonna dig up my tree. I have to fill those holes in. This pug boy. Hey, be nice. There's Pug laying in the hole. Herbie? Herbie! Better not catch you being mean to my little baby. She's a big puppy, but she's a baby still. Leave her alone. She's a baby. I had a couple interested in her and they never showed up. Just like the lady interested in Buck hasn't showed up, but I have another lady interested in her too. Local over at Crete, so he's going home one way or the other. Leave that baby alone. Quit intimidating my baby. Quit jumping on the back of my pants, Patches. Patches, quit jumping on the back of my pants. Just kind of hanging out because it's hot today. Goes from cold to hot to cold to hot around here today. Or this week, actually, not today. There's that baby puppy. Leave that baby puppy girl alone. Oh, look at that belly up, baby puppy. Now, Pug can play with her because he's about the right size and not as mean as Herbie. Now we know why Herbie got turned in. He's a brat. Have to learn some attitude adjustment. Hey, Cindy. Where's Toby's? Toby, Pug. There, Toby, Pug. Good girl, Dolly, Pug. Pee outside. Everybody go pee where she pees. Everybody pees outside. They're hanging around. Herbie? Don't make me get on you. Herbie. Don't make me get after you. Because that's not nice. I will get after you. Where's your ball, Harrison? There it is. Give me Harrison. Bring it. Bring me the ball, Harrison. Good boy. I can't get it there. Bring it to me. Good boy. Good boy, Harrison. Hey, let him chase the ball, Patches. Come here, Harrison. Give me the ball. Stop. That's his. Stop. Stop. That is his. She's getting demanding. I'm going to have to beat her butt. Patches? That's his. Well, come here. I didn't do nothing to you. Three wiener dogs and stop. That is his ball, not yours. Go find something else to play with. Go. No, it's too hot. I don't want to run him too much. Drop it now. Drop it at my feet. Drop it. Patches? No. He's getting to be a little snot. I know it's hot, isn't it? Let's go in. It's hot. Drop it, baby. Drop it, Harrison. Give me the ball, Harrison. He doesn't want to give it to me because of you, Patches. Drop it, let Mom have it. Good. I don't think so. Okay, I'm not throwing it now after that. No. No. See, he jumped up and grabbed my hand because I had the ball. I'm not throwing it now. No, I'm not. You jump up here again and I won't throw it ever again. Did you jump up here and bite my hand? This is my ball now. I'm sorry. It's mine now. Well, it's mine now. No, it's mine now. He was a bad dog. No, he was a bad dog. It's my ball. I'm taking my ball and going home. He was bad. Taking my ball and going home. You were bad. You're a bad dog. You're a bad dog. Nope, you're a bad dog. Nope, sorry. My ball. You're a bad dog, Harrison.